just a cold beer drinker. Check out the callus on my pop-top finger. Got a cooler in the back with a 12-pack ready to roll.
To Diesel Crew, I have a special announcement, so stay tuned. Alright, brothers, so first and foremost, I need to take care of my business. Been kind of slacking on my 1,250 subscriber giveaway, so let's get into that real quick. And if you remember, I asked that people would do a video kind of supporting another channel or kind of doing a preview for their channel. So we got a lot of good videos out of that, and we got a lot of good support going for the community right after YouTube had come out with their new, kind of like their new rules, you know, the 4,000 hours, watch hours, and the 1,000 viewers subscribed. Now the first announcement is I've kind of been slacking on that 1,250 sub giveaway, so we're going to get right into that, and we're going to give some stuff away. Now I kind of changed it up, and I picked 4 people. So we're going to start from the least prize to the best prize. So my 4th and 3rd positions are Coon Trucking and Bobby the Boss. I'm going to send them both one $25 gift certificate to Amazon. So guys, hit me up. In 2nd position was Bearded CB, and this is a new item that I decided to give away. It is a long pick from Snap-on. These are good for doing all assortment of things from O-rings to pulling out cotter pins. It's just a real versatile tool, and I'll be sending this off to Bearded CB 82. The last item is going to Midwest Tool Review. Now I know he doesn't have much Snap-on, and this ratcheting screwdriver will look great in his box. So congratulations, Midwest Tool Review. This goes out to you. These winners, they did videos, and that's really what I was going for here. The announcement is in support of Russ Navarro's channel and Justin ATV. Basically what's happening is this guy, Marco, really cool guy. I've noticed him the last probably 2 months in a lot of the live feeds. He's gone live, and he has a couple little videos on his channel. He's just a real supporter of this tool community. What he's done is got out of his way and bought a bunch of Snap-on tools, and basically set up a giveaway series. So there's going to be 10 teams of 2 channels for a certain amount of time, and I think the duration is 2 weeks for each tool GA setup. And for this first setup, he's giving away a this exact ratchet right here. There's nothing really more I can say about this tool other than it is a tank. I use this every day, in and out of heavy machinery. It's a 1/2 inch. It really has stood the test of time with me. And, it still has a great finish. Talk about the channels a little bit. Russ's channel, he does a lot of, prepping stuff. He does car modifications. He's a paint guy. He's kind of, he's got his hands in a lot of different things, and he does a lot of cool videos. Does some live feeds. Talks about general life stuff. He's just a cool guy to go hang out and listen to talk. You should definitely go check out his channel. The next guy is Justin ATV. Now and these guys are both tool collectors. They both have pretty decent setups. Justin ATV does a lot of tool reviews. He does some ATV stuff. I know this spring he's got some other stuff coming to his channel, which will be pretty exciting. You guys need to stay tuned for that. Now I'll leave all the rules down in the description. I don't want to try to read them off and then mess them up and then have somebody get mad at me. But the basic breakdown is you go to each of their channels, you subscribe, and you comment on that video, and then the following, in 2 weeks or so, they'll have a live feed, and they'll pick the winner. The winner doesn't have to be present at the live feed, but they do have a week window to email these guys out to say, you know, they do want the tool, and then ship. So for Bearded CB82, Coon Trucking, Bobby the Boss, and Midwest Tools, hit me up at Gmail. It's 802 Diesel Crew, one word, gmail.com. I'll get those items sent out to you guys. And as always, you know who it is. 80 from 802 Diesel Crew, signing out. Brothers, have a great day. So make sure you just go to those two channels, leave a comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered to win in their live giveaway.